Okay, so you've just hiccuped for what feels like the 100th time since your large breakfast. You ask yourself, where are these noises coming from? Well, after my hard work to receive my PhD and study intensely the acts and effects that hiccups have on the human body, I think that I have your answer. I'll tell you straight up, the diaphragm is the only part to blame. That pesky muscle directly below your chest is the source of all of your current problems. Hopefully, we can get over this annoying case of the hiccups so I can explain to you why we get them, how our bodies create them, and the best home remedies to get rid of them. Before we begin, I feel it is important to educate you all on exactly what a hiccup is. In the medical world, we doctors like to use big words that our patients don't always understand. So sometimes we make up smaller words that are much easier to pronounce. Believe it or not, hiccup is one of those words. The medical term for hiccups is singultus. Singultus is a Latin word meaning the act to catch one's breath while crying. So while you may feel like crying after getting an annoying case of singultus, feel relieved to know that they'll probably go away in just a few minutes. Sadly though, this was not the case for Charles Osborne. Charles holds the Guinness World Record for the longest bout of hiccups. After putting his body through a strenuous ounce of strength, Charles Osborne burst a major blood vessel in his brain that caused him to uncontrollably hiccup for, and this is not a joke, 68 years. 68 years, averaging about 40 hiccups per minute. While they did not find a cure for Charles's hiccups by the time he passed away, they did find many home remedies that helped to slow them down. Now, while we know that Charles got his case of the hiccups in a very unfortunate circumstance, for the average Joe like us, we could get them as easily as just breathing in too deeply. There are many different ways that we could acquire the hiccups. Eating or drinking too quickly, taking in too deep of a breath, as I had said before, having gas in the stomach, or even feeling overwhelmingly nervous or excited. So feel relieved to know that when you do get that annoying case of the hiccups, there is a very simple explanation for what is going on. According to emedicinehealth.com, hiccups are sudden involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. As the muscle contracts repeatedly, the opening between the vocal cords snaps shut to check the inflow of air. The irritation to the nerves that extend from the neck to the chest can cause hiccups. In simpler words, the flap that covers the trachea, where we take in air, called the epiglottis, opens and closes slightly too quickly and causes irritation to the diaphragm muscle, causing hiccups. It's simple science, really. Our bodies do amazing work every single day. They can recognize issues and figure them out with something like a hiccup. People do not realize the amazing work that our bodies do on a daily basis to keep us out of harm's way and protect us from things that could harm us. Now, we've all heard of the myths of standing on our heads, drinking water upside down, or even putting a pencil in our mouth to get rid of our hiccups. But I'm here to tell you that these are not effective. But be relieved because I am here to tell you some surefire ways to get rid of those annoying hiccups. According to Wonderopolis Charity Group, there are just a few simple ways that you can get rid of your hiccups at home with no need of anyone else's help. Holding your breath, drinking a glass of water quickly, having someone scare or surprise you, and believe it or not, even putting a little bit of sugar on your tongue could help. And while I'm sure that all of these will be the most effective ways to get rid of your case of singultus, remember that every person is different, and our bodies act in all kinds of different ways. So while you do want to get them away as soon as possible, it may take just a little longer than you'd like. Now that we have a better understanding of what hiccups are, and know now that when we say hiccups, we really mean to say singultus, I hope that you've learned something today and are able to go out into your world and inform somebody else on exactly where they come from, how our body creates them, and the best home remedies to get rid of them. Well, it is now time for me to get back to my busy day of solving the most extreme cases of singultus. So I wish to you all the best and hope that your day doesn't have any more irritated diaphragms. Or should I say, hiccups.